Welcome to today's one big taker. We got bear on the ground again. Sits a bear. Bear. He doesn't care. Oh, tired. Skydance. Writing some news on good old Call of Duty Black Ops 2. I don't know why, but like the past couple of days, when I got out of work, I've been playing Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Getting better. Pretty soon I'm gonna try league play. Try to get my rank up there. Get top me first place. So where I'm aiming. I don't know. Yeah, let's go to bed here. Oh, tired. And today was horrible at work. Because it wasn't that bad at work today, but at my house it was super duper hooper duper lemon duper hot out. That means that it was really hot out. It sucked. My dad's too stubborn to put in the air conditioner. He's gonna let us roast in here, I guess. Really want the air in. It's so good. Oh. But I don't think we're doing it this summer. Hope we are. Maybe when they go to the races, Dad will. Probably not, because summer's over in a couple of months here. They go to the races. 2 weeks. So yeah. Yeah. Oh no. Don't know if that guy's still selling his truck or not, because I went by there today when I was on my way to work. He had it turned around, so he probably sold it or he's not selling it anymore. If not, I got other trucks on there that I want, but they're all far away though. One that I really want is halfway across the state. Another one is almost halfway across the state. I doubt my dad will want to drive all the way down there for it. Hopefully there's some good ones around here soon, just like that one. I really want. I really doubt it. But there's this car that I've been looking at too. It's called a Grand Prix. I see it every time when I go to work. I stopped for a couple of days to look at it and see how much they wanted for it. They wanted $1,000 for it. Why is there anything wrong with that? So I wrote down the guy's number on a sheet of paper, and then hopefully I'm gonna talk to my dad about it tomorrow and try to give him a call, see what's wrong with it. Is there anything wrong for it? So those cars are pretty nice cars. I don't know why that he's selling it for $1,000. I'm just playing this Batman thing that I got in the crate. Pretty cool. Well, yeah. Talk to my dad about that tomorrow. See what he says. See if I can give the guy a call. Because I'll have that within the next couple of paychecks. Hopefully. And then we'll stop selling it so I can do it and buy it. And yeah. Doubt it though. I want a truck a little bit more. But anyways, again, I've been bored with truck talk all the time. But something cool. This little water droplet noise that I can make. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but damn. There we go. Sounds like a water droplet, doesn't it? Listen carefully. There it is. Okay. That's pretty cool. Maybe someday I'll teach you guys. Maybe in tomorrow's vlog. It's kind of hard to explain, though. I can do it side. I'm not that good, but I can do it like this good. Yeah, but anyway, I picked that up in school. I think it was junior year. And then I can do this probably since sixth grade, 6th or 7th grade. Cause I remember me and one of my friends, he used to do this all the time. Take your fingers like this, and nobody can't do it besides me and him. Take your fingers like this and just go like this. Make talking sounds like that. No one can do it. I don't get it. But me and him can. I haven't talked to him in a while though. He sometimes comes in my work and gets food. Yeah, I do it next time. He remembers it. Or he can still do it. And tomorrow I'm going to the stadium. So one deck that I want to build. X-Saber. That deck turns out pretty good. And the Yu-Gi-Oh! Pro is pretty good. Well, that's good as bots. Don't know if it'd be good against real players. But, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog, so I'm going back to really tired. Anyways, if you guys are brand new, please subscribe to always on a lot. I know, so you guys are have a good day, good night, whenever you're watching this. Bye! That was a weird one, wasn't it? $7,000 on it, or $10,000 on it.